Have you ever tried counting? Not just to 100 or 1,000, but kept going. 1, 2, 3. Seems easy until it isn't. Because as numbers grow, they start doing strange things. Things your brain and even the entire universe can't keep up with. This is the story of how far we can count and what lies beyond. Let's start small. 1,000. 1,000 steps might get you around the block. 1,000,000. That's how many heartbeats you have in about 10 days. 1,000,000,000. A billion seconds? That's over 31 years. And there are over 8 billion people on Earth today. If you tried counting them, 1 per second, it would take you nearly 250 years without eating or sleeping. Now let's go bigger. 1 trillion. A 1 with 12 zeros. That's about how many seconds have passed since the dinosaurs roamed. 1 quadrillion. 10 to the power of 15. It's estimated there are this many ants on Earth. 1 quintillion. 10 to the 18th. Close to the number of grains of sand on all beaches. 1 sextillion. 10 to the 21st. Roughly how many stars are in the observable universe? 1 septillion. 10 to the 24th. Now you're in territory where numbers become meaningless. And still, it doesn't stop. 1 octillion, 1 nonillion, 1 decillion. You can keep naming them, but you'll never reach the end. Eventually, we abandon names and just write powers of 10. Then comes Google. That's 10 to the power of 100. Way bigger than the number of atoms in the entire universe, which is around 10 to the 80th. But wait, there's Googolplex. 10 to the power of a Google. You can't write it. There isn't enough matter in the universe to store all its digits. Yet somehow, mathematicians went further. Meet Graham's number. It's so large that even exponent towers fail. You can't write it. You can't imagine it. Even if each digit took up a single atom, the observable universe would be too small to contain it. And it was invented to solve a real problem in math. But still, it's not the end. Because after all that comes infinity. Not a number, but an idea. A concept that never ends. No matter how high you count, there's always one more. So how far can you count? As far as your mind dares to wander. In the Alterverse, even numbers can become mysteries. And beyond them lies like the infinite unknown.